Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Bed Bath & Beyond stock is back, and it's back to running. On the Friday session, we have seen this one up by 12%. That takes us up to 988, a very critical level to watch out for today. In the pre-market so far, we are actually up a little bit more. The question is what comes next. Over the course of this short video, I'll be giving you my personal thoughts and opinions on what might happen today. I'll be highlighting the key levels that I am paying attention to. Remember, as always guys, if you enjoy, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. But as you already know, this is not financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Anyway, yeah, straight in with this one guys. I want to simply pay attention to what we are seeing. Now we'll look at this more in a more detailed video tonight, so you're going to want to stick around for that. But we are seeing Bed Bath & Beyond stock being back. Again, the ticket is returning and the new owner apparently aims to revive the brand. Again, something which we will touch on. However, the stock price is soaring yet again. A lot of volatility over the past month or so. We've seen this one run from lows right down at 786 in the last few weeks to highs that we are seeing, well in excess of the $9 range. Now we're coming up to a critical level of resistance that we have found difficulty at many a time before. And you can see that just very blatantly here, right? This is 994. We just have a lot of difficulty breaking into the $10 range. Difficulty here, you could argue. Difficulty back here for sure. And also back here too. We're not having an easy time breaking past that. So a very easy and critical upwards momentum landmark that I would be paying attention to today is anything above 994, but perhaps in people's minds and just logically speaking, $10, right? $10 is going to be a key level to watch out for in today's trading session. We just are not able to remain above that for any consistent length of time. If we are to see more upwards momentum, I think $10 is the level to watch out for. And again, that could signify major bullish trends depending on if we see some consolidation at or around that point. Towards the downside, if we are able to see that, we're looking at levels initially of 943, then we're looking to go lower to that at 907. With the latter, the $9.07 mark to $9 exactly, having more historical levels of support in the past. Now, it doesn't mean that that's likely, but again, you've got to ask the question. We are seeing the RSI now coming up to essentially an overbought range almost, and we are also at a point now where again the stock is up by 12% in the last trading day. That's not to say it can't go higher. Of course it can, and if that happens today, like I say, a break above $10 is what we're looking for. But if we don't see that, if things don't move in the right direction and things do continue to move down, obviously we need to be realistic, right? And we're looking for those levels as highlighted. Either way guys, it's for you to make your own opinions on. I'm just showing the levels that I am paying attention to. If you enjoyed this short video, make sure to stick around as we'll be looking at this stock more in the future. Thank you and see you soon.